5. I snap my fingers, and the bill goes back together the way it was at the beginning. Cards. They're so that everybody can see. It's called staring, that's right. I'm gonna show everybody my cards. This is a very small collection, and I'll show everybody, and we're gonna say the name of
Engine 22, we don't have EMS on scene yet. As soon as they go 84, we can redirect you.
2 of clubs. And the 3 of clubs. Good job. The ace of diamonds is the one that we care about, and the only one that matters. Your job, as my audience, is to pay attention to where the ace of diamonds goes. I might try to trick you. I might take the ace of diamonds.
6-7, units are reporting a blown manhole cover on the sidewalk at 85 Fifth Avenue. You can have Con Ed Electric continuous. Units are investigating slight haze and smoke invasion.
I show the ace of diamonds. Down my pants. Sorry, it's the only way. Now watch. The secret move. Ha! It is done. Bang. Oh no. Now ब्लैक बटन पे डाल दे बोलेंगे ऐसे लोगों को पता चलेगा कम्युनिटी
Okay, we are all going to do a count of 3.